Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Very nice Ford Kuga 2-litre diesel TDCi Titanium X Sport Euro 6 stop-start 2016 on a 66 reg, 70,000 miles, excellent service history, cam belt replaced at 47,000 miles by Ford, cam belt replaced, £9,995. Very good service history with this car, really been looked after. Has a detachable tow bar, it's a Titanium X, so it's got the nice screen with Bluetooth, DAB digital radio. It's got heated seats, nice two-tone alloy wheels. These are actually diamond cut alloys. Front fog lamps, daytime running lights, headlamp washers, panoramic sunroof which tilts, slides, the front half of it opens and closes, electric sunshade, lovely black leather seats, multifunction steering wheel with cruise and a speed limiter. As you can see, climate control, heated seat buttons are down there. Comes with, I'll just check, 2 keys. 9995 Euro 6, ULEZ compliant, fitted mats, lovely big panoramic sunroof, removable tow bar, aluminium roof rails, privacy glass, power tailgate, I believe, yeah, rear park sensors. Huge big boot on these, and if we lift that up, space saver spare wheel. Press the button, tailgate closes. Titanium X Sport. Can't see any dents or scratches. Lovely condition. Nice wheels. Nice tyres. All together a lovely thing. This not covered in stone chips. Electric mirrors, electric windows, automatic lights, multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and and speed limiter. 70,650 miles on the clock. The heated seat buttons down there, no wear on the driver's seat. The electric driver's seat, £9,995. Lot of car, drives really well. Great service history, cam belt replaced by Ford, 9995. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other vehicles in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243, then you will get a little notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You would be one of the first people in the country to know we've had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.